So in our first part, we set up React Native navigation for our iOS app. Now let's go ahead and try this out. So unlike a regular library, which you would import into your app.js, with React Native navigation, you need to import it in your index.js. So instead of having your app registry register the component, we're going to be using React Native navigation to do that. So let's just comment this out. And here, let's import navigation from React Native navigation. Next, the first thing we need to do is we need to have our screens registered for our navigator to work. So we'll say navigation dot register component. Let's call the first screen welcome and it'll point to the welcome screen. Let's go ahead and create this welcome screen. So in our app, we'll just create a new folder called screens. And inside that, we'll create the file welcome.js. We'll just import some boilerplate code here and call it welcome screen. I'll add a link to the description for the snippets that I'm using here. Coming back into the index.js, we can now import welcome at the top here. So we've registered our screen, but we still need to register our application. So for that, we'll use navigation.events.register app launch listener. Inside that, we have a callback. This is where we set the root of our application. So we'll say navigation.setRoot, and for now we'll say root, which will be a component, and the name of that component will be welcome. So this is what we're using in place of the app registry.register component. Inside that, we say navigation.setRoot to set the root of our application. We set the root to a component, and the name of that component is welcome, which must be the name of the registered component here. Let's save that out and refresh the app. And there we see we're getting our welcome screen. At times, you may get a red screen here, which gives you your app name, followed by the line saying that your app is not registered. All you need to do is exit your simulator, close all your terminals, and then restart the project. And then that error should go.